Are you looking for ways to make money online? Artificial intelligence can be your solution. AI has revolutionized the way we do business, opening up new opportunities for everyone. One way to make money online using AI is by becoming an AI reseller. You can partner with AI development companies and sell their AI solutions to businesses. Another option is to become an AI consultant and offer your expertise to organizations. You can help them implement AI technologies and optimize their processes. If you have coding skills, you can develop and sell AI-powered software or apps. Create a product that solves a specific problem and market it to the right audience. You can also make money by providing AI services, such as data analysis or predictive modeling. Freelancing platforms like Upwork and Fiverr allow you to find clients in need of AI services. Consider creating an online course or tutorial on AI and sell it to aspiring AI enthusiasts. Build your authority in the field by sharing valuable content on social media and blogging. Affiliate marketing can be another way to make money online using AI. Promote AI-related products or services and earn a commission for every sale you generate. Investing in AI stocks or cryptocurrencies can be a profitable way to make money online. Keep up to date with the latest AI trends and invest wisely for potential returns. Don't forget to brand yourself and create a professional online presence. Highlight your AI expertise and showcase your previous successes to attract clients and opportunities. Network with professionals in the AI industry and attend AI conferences and events. Developing genuine connections can open doors to profitable collaborations and partnerships. Automate your online business using AI tools and software to maximize efficiency and profitability. Stay curious and keep learning about AI advancements to stay ahead of the competition. Remember that making money online using AI requires dedication and hard work. Start small, experiment with different strategies, and adapt as you go. Be patient, as building a successful online business takes time. Don't be afraid to take risks and think outside the box to find unique opportunities. Set clear goals and track your progress to stay motivated and focused. Always provide value to your clients and customers to build a loyal following. Keep refining your skills and knowledge in AI to stay relevant and competitive. Now that you know various ways to make money online using AI, it's time to take action. Start exploring the possibilities and let AI empower your journey to online success.